If you are clicking play in Valorant but the game won't launch, keeps looping back to the Riot client or shows something unusual happened, you're not alone. Many players on Reddit and YouTube comments are reporting that Valorant suddenly stops launching after updates, Windows changes, or Vanguard security patches. These are the most upvoted real user fixes that are actually working. First, completely reinstall Riot Vanguard, open command prompt as administrator, type SC delete VGC, press enter, then type SC delete VGK and press enter again. Restart your PC. Now go to c:/program files and delete the Riot Vanguard folder completely. Open the Riot client again and it will automatically reinstall Vanguard. After installation, restart your PC one more time. Many Reddit users say this fixes the launch loop instantly. Next, clear your Valorant local files. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data % and press enter. Find the Valorant folder and delete it. Don't worry, your account skins and rank are stored online. This simply forces Valorant to create fresh local files. Another popular fix is ending all write background process. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and every process related to Riot Client, Riot Vanguard, Valorant. Then right-click the Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Many players found that hidden Riot process were preventing the game from launching properly. If you are getting the something unusual happen error, check whether Vanguard is running. Press Windows plus R, type service.msc, find VGC, double click it and set to startup type to automatic. Click start, then restart your PC. A lot of launch failures happen simply because the Vanguard service never start correctly. Finally, if you're on Windows 11, check your BIOS security settings. Make sure security boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. If they're already enabled but Valorant still won't launch, check your motherboard manufacturer's website and install the latest BIOS update. Since Riot's recent Vanguard update have become much stricter about security certificates. That's it. Bye bye.